This is a brand new encoder. I already removed the magnet that looks like this. So we're gonna open it up. I snapped off 8 male header pins to fit in here. Gold color plating is preferred. And I set it down upside down like that. Solder paste on here. Okay, and a little right here. Gotta heat up the iron. 360. Set it down on the rubber mat. Do 2 of them and check the alignment. Make sure it's fairly vertical. Make sure there's no real gap. And continue. One extra step for the left-hand encoder, we need to bridge these 2 pins. Put a little extra solder. Keep on adding it until you have a nice joint. There we go. Quick visual inspection. Looks okay to me. I have here my 6mm long M2 coarse plastic screw. Of course, it's a metal screw designed to go into plastic. My encoder bracket 3D print is quite imperfect, but it's going to still work. That's no problem. Just need 2 holes. The left hand is going to go like this, and the right hand is going to go like this. One design for the bracket for both each side. One design fits both sides. We're going to screw this in, no tapping. I won't go all the way before first I want to make sure it's just slightly loose so I can fit the other one nicely. Okay, and then I won't use the motor to tighten it down because I want to pay attention to the torque. These screws can snap, but also in the holes, if they're poorly formed, then it might put too much pressure, or I might go misaligned if I'm quickly driving these. Just want to go until I can feel it touches the board, and that's all I need because there's no real force on this. There's no real forces trying to push or pull this board. We just need to have it secured in place, but not resisting any forces. This is the diametric magnet. That means according to the diameter, you get the north and south poles. Like basically, this direction is south pole, and this direction is north pole. That's what gives this sensor something to watch for. And then the alignment is designed to be quite close. I think it's less than 1mm is the desired distance. Can check the data sheet. But this is how it ends up looking after you mount this to the wheel shaft. And then you mount this encoder bracket to the scuttle bracket, wheel bracket. Boy, this is ugly, but it's important to note this is version 2.4. If you see any video indicating a different instruction, like a unique bracket for left and right, then verify if the parts are an earlier version number, and probably that's it. Going forward, we should just have one bracket.